Alright, so I got these new push pins. They're not the OE style for the resistor, because the OE style was like it was a white nylon pin, and then it had a hole in the middle where you push the little push pin in. But according to MPD, this is for door weather stripping, but it said it would work with the heater resistor as well. So we're gonna see. That is the part number for it. Before we install this though, we gotta put some what's on? Yeah, that's right. Put a little bit of this black strip caulk on there. I don't know if it needs it. I watch other videos, people done it, and it's obviously on this one. So we're gonna put it on this one too. And it sucks because I just threw that. This is what people use. I'm sure you can find something else. This was really expensive. It was like 25 bucks on Amazon, and just to use a little bit of this. I don't know when the next time I'm ever gonna use this for, but I got it now. Like I said, it don't need much. Alright. That thing is super sticky. Sticking to my glove. Really sticky. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and install this back in here. Now I don't remember which way this went. I don't know if I went this way or I went that way. Because it really don't matter. Alright, get these open. Alright, that's in there secured, and I got 2 extras, so I'll save these. Alright, we can move on. So off camera, I removed this from the car. Just pried along the top and it popped out. Pretty simple. They do sell replacements of these, but I'm just gonna keep this one for now. And what we're going to do, I'm gonna put my new cables on here. So let's see. We'll get a ratchet to remove this here. We'll just do one at a time. Alright, so this one I already had the bracket off. I took it off before I took everything else off. But I'll go ahead and replace this, and then we can get the new one. And I believe this is the longest one, the one at the top. We're just gonna bend that back. Take our new one here. And get it installed here. Here we are. Take our bracket, slide it through the slot. Take our bolt there. There we are. There goes a new cable install. So we'll do this for the rest of them, and then this will be ready. And I think we'll be ready to put this heater, this whole heater assembly back in the car. So let me swap out all these. All right, got all the new cables installed. Before we try to put this heater box assembly back in there, I want to install, well, first we gotta open this up and get our lengths and cut it, because this is all just one roll. So that, I don't believe it's two separates. Double check. Yeah, it's all one. I hope it's, I don't know, doesn't seem long enough, maybe. So let me get the old ones off so I can cut and measure and make sure I have enough here. It might be enough. Alright, let's hope this works. Let's go ahead and get this routed. Actually, I know I need to route it on the heater core first and then shove it through the firewall. Because I watched one video, some guy, he put it in there first and then he couldn't get the clamps on there. So, we'll do that. We'll get these mounted on this heater core. And of course, with that kit, comes with 4 new clamps. So, Install that there. Well, that's not working out that good. These suck. These are garbage. I could not get them to work. So, and I don't care about this thing being, you know, period correct. These are garbage. I just went with some regular old style clamps. So, I mean, I'll save them, but yeah. If it works for you, cool. But we can go ahead and get this back in the car. But first, I'm gonna go ahead and install the duct mounts for our air ducts, our defrosters first, before we shove this back in there. So, we'll walk into the car. So I did a little work off camera. I removed my center console so I can get the controls out easier. And then this should definitely help putting this heater box in there. Also, I'm not keeping that center console. I'm gonna go with a, yeah, I'm not gonna put that center console back in. I don't really like it that well. These are old ducts. Someone mentioned that in the comments on the last video that somebody been in here before, which is not surprising, because they said the original factory style is more like paper, and this is more like no, it seems more paper. I know the other one's really more plastic, but either way, what's that? I don't know what that is. Mustang. Oh, this must be the part number or whatever for the glove box liner. It says 1965 to 66 Mustang glove box liner made in the USA. Cool. Alright. And there's a lot of wires and stuff that needs to get cleaned up. I'm gonna do that another day. But I already took the screws out. So I can take this off. We'll vacuum that up. But we're gonna pop these old defroster caps off. Install our new ones. There goes our speakers. They don't work. And yeah. Let me get a vacuum and clean this up. Let's see how well. Try and get this off here. I mean, this thing is just tearing all apart. Yeah, this all cardboard stuff is just tearing apart. Trying to push this pin out. Boom, grab some pliers. Oh, there they are. There we are. It's so hard to do this shaky one-hand camera. I'm gonna set the camera down. I know you guys probably get motion sickness. And I'll be back. Alright, they are back installed. And it comes with new little clips too to install. So if yours are missing or they're just too rusted or broken, come with new clips. So, let's get this heater box finally back in this goddamn car. And it should be easy to put back in now the center console is out. I should take it out to begin with. But oh well. Let's get this moving. Oh, so fighting with the heater box. Got it in. Got the... Damn, I can't see. Shoot. Got those in. Installed. FYI, that side, I was able to reach my hand up and get it in there. The other side, I couldn't, so I just popped the grill back off, popped that off, and I put the I don't know, the slinky thing. Anyway, the duct, I installed the duct onto the cap and then shoved it down in there, and then it was a lot easier to install it on there. Now all that's left, I mean, I still gotta put my glove box door back on, put that back on, mount those stuff. This is, I gotta find out where the end of this is and pull it all out. I don't know what this is. This is not sitting as flush as I like. But, yeah, we just got to go onto the engine bay side and install the heater hoses, route them the proper way, and then put the bolts back on there for that, and we should be good to go. Alright, so we are done routing the heater hoses. This light's about to die. So I got that mounted back up there, got it plugged in. I have my hose going from there, route it there, and then the one that cuts off goes into the intake, comes out there, and goes there. And there was more than enough hose, because I forgot I had to cut that one to go in between there. And even this one, it was sticking up so high, so I had to trim it down some so it lay a little flat. So yes, there's plenty of hose left. I mean, this is all extra I didn't use from the new hose. And that's probably gonna be it. I'm not gonna start this thing yet because I got some other work I gotta do, so I'm not gonna put the battery back on there and crank it up or anything. Pretty sure it's gonna work because it was working pretty good when I put that new harness on there. So that's gonna be it for this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna catch y'all next time.